This is how to use Slides AI. If you do not know what Slides AI is, we have a What is video on our channel, so click in our descriptions to learn more about Slides AI. And the reason why you'd use this is to save a lot of time when you're making presentations. I know when I was in school, I did a lot of drag and dropping, a lot of editing, and if we had something like this, it'd be much quicker.
So to actually get Slides AI, you have to download it from the website or the Google Workspace download section. So all you're going to do is click Install Slides AI. It'll bring you to a new window in the Google Workspace Marketplace. And all you have to do is hit Install, because this is an extension. We're going to choose what account we want to use it under. And we're going to let it attach to Slides. Now it will install, and it'll show you a brief description on where to find it, but we'll talk about that more in a bit. From there, you will open up a new Slides presentation. Should be a brand new one, and all you have to do is click Extensions at the top. Upon clicking Extensions, you'll see a drop-down that says slidesai.io. You're going to hit Generate Slides. And while it's working, it'll pop up a new window. It says Generate Slides with slidesai.io. And it takes a little while to load, so just give it a minute to prepare. If you're a new user, it'll have a few options for different languages. It'll have option for a job description, how often you create presentations, and a referral from how you heard it. You have to click hit Next Step. And if you have an invite code, you can go ahead and put that there. If you don't, go ahead and skip this step. Now this is the main dashboard where you will create slides with slidesai.io. Here you can do it from your own text. So if you have an article or a script or a book report, you can copy and paste it in here. Or if you have it from a topic, you can put in a topic like health and wellness and any additional information you need. For here, on your own text or from a topic, you can choose the presentation type, if it's educational, sales, conference, general, and the number of slides. It can do the auto determination, or you can choose how many slides you'd like to choose. So today we're just going to go with auto, and then of course there are options here to add images, summarize text, and add a title and thank you slide. If you go to the left and click on themes, this is where you actually get to pick out a custom theme. So today, let's choose this sleek elegance. Of course, they have styles for bullet points. There are custom fonts and background colors, so you can make your own theme. Or you can choose your custom theme, which is explained in this video more. So we'll go back to here. When it's selected, it'll be highlighted in green, and then hit save and go back to editor. So today we're going to do from a topic because it is one of the newer features of Slides AI. And today we're going to create a presentation about health and wellness, like on their example. Additional information can include, please include information about sleep. And for number of slides, we'll keep it to 8, and we will select Add Images. From there, all you have to do is hit Create Slides. From here, it will give you a loading bar. Just wait until this bar is complete. It may take a few minutes, so just let it go and play in the background. All right, so after the slides have been created, you will open up into a new screen. This will show a little message here saying that your slides have been created, but it could take a few minutes or seconds to load. From there, all you have to do is hit the X to close this. And you'll see here, you'll have a titled slide with the entered text at the bottom, health and wellness. An intro slide that you can put either in any information you'd like. And then you get into the actual meat of the presentation. As you click through here, you can see the different slides that it has created for this topic, health and wellness, and it includes a thank you slide. Now let's say you want to replace an image. Maybe we don't like this image because it is not representative of the slide. All you have to do is hit extensions again, Slides AI.io, and go ahead and click Magic Rate. Just takes a second to load. And as it loads, it will pop up a sidebar on the right side. From here, you can use paraphrasing, you can find icons, citations, and what we're here for today, which is the recommended images. So go ahead and click on that. It will actually have suggestions from this slide's text. However, maybe we want something more specific. So all you have to do is hit the little magnifying glass and maybe put in, let's think, people hugging, and search images. From there, it will load for just a moment. All right, so from there, it has some images that were generated via the prompt. From there, all you have to do is select your image so that it's highlighted, and then scroll over to the side. Let's say we want to use this first one. All you have to do is click Use This. It will insert the image. And now you can see that the image has been inserted into where you'd like to go. Just a few things to note is that these themes or these vectors will have to be changed in the theme. So please be mindful of that.
All right, and that is Slides AI. You could use these for a bunch of different use cases. Some things that quickly come to mind are, as mentioned earlier, school presentations. So if you have like a book report or you want to do a presentation about the environment, you could basically use this and it'll be quicker since you have the use of AI and quick auto generation and just edit things around. Or if you're in business or you're working, you could probably use this to make be quicker in making slides for your presentations for work. And that is Slides AI. Stay tuned for more about Slides AI. And in the next video, we'll do a review of Slides AI.